Hello beautiful people, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Guys, if you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. So we're just going to dive straight into the eyeshadow because I've already done my brows off camera. So now today we're going for a purple smoky eye. First, we're going to take this black eyeshadow and add that around our crease area downwards our eyes. So just going to add that in and blend it out around our crease area. Add as much as possible. So when that is like enough for you, so then you can just like go ahead and like blend it out to make it look more perfectly. And now that is okay, so we're going to take that purple shade and we're just going to use that to blend out the outer corner of the eyes, as you can see here. Now it's going to bring out the beauty out, so you have to go in circular motions, like so it will blend out properly. You're just going to do that thing. You are finally okay with the blending. You're okay with the eyeshadow. So for the brows, I use concealer because most of the time before I thought that maybe they barb off the hair, but now I've come to realize that it's done by concealer. So I decided to try it out today, and it came out perfectly. So now I've done the second eye and I've also went ahead also to add up my lashes. Now I'm just going to be cleaning off the excess oil in my face with these face wipes. So just going to be cleaning my face. Then after cleaning, we are going in with the primer. First, we are using this primer right here that I got from Kiko. Got this from Kiko. So we're going to use this first on the eyes. Sorry guys, on the face. So we're going to be using that on my face. So we're just going to rub that in, so it gives you that last longing makeup. And so we're going to also take this also that I got from a beauty supply store. So guys, you want to apply your primer with clean hands so your face can be very okay. As you can see, I added it to my eyelashes, so that's not a problem. Now we're just going to add it all into the skin with this, because I have oily skin, most especially around my T-zone. That's my nose area to my forehead. I always have oily skin, so that's why a primer, for those that have oily skin, a mattifying primer is actually good for oily skin. Gives you the last longing makeup that you always want. So now we're just adding our foundation. Now we're blending it out with this brush. So sometimes I do use beauty blender or the brush depending on my mood of the day. So now we're just going to blend that out. So after blending, now we're taking our Elegant Pro concealer. We're just adding that around our under eyes, at the bridge of our nose, the top of our lips, our chin, and the forehead. So after all of that, we're just going to be blending it out using our beauty blender. So I'm using it. I really love this concealer. I got it like 2 days ago, something like that. So I really love it. It's really creamy and nice. So I really love it. Now I'm just going to blend it all out in the place that you want to brighten up So after that, guys, now we're going to add our contour. We are going to be contouring our face. I also got this from the Saint store, and this is also Elegant Pro Concealer, the shade Toffee, but this is not darker like the way I want, so I'm definitely going to get my shade, like a darker shade, very soon, pretty soon. So we're just going to also blend this out, add this to our cheek and also our forehead to give us that slim looking face. So after all of that, guys, after blending all of this in, we're just going to take our bronzer. We're going to take our bronzer, the darker shade, and we're just going to add that all over to the place we added our contour. So we're just going to like press it into the skin. One thing I've come to learn about this is not adding much, like take a little bit, press it in the skin as you go, so it can give you that matching color. That's another thing I've noticed also. So we're just going to take this with a little paint brush, and we're just going to also build the line of our nose to give us that pointed nose that we're looking for. So after all of that, guys, so now after building the pointing nose that we're looking for, now we're going to take this translucent powder. So we're just going to knock it out. Then after that, we're just going to like set down the place we added our concealer, like our under eyes, the bridge of our nose, and under chin, and all places we added that into. So after that, guys, just going to like press it in, like I said before, a little bit at a time, then press it in. Also press it in like this. So after all of these, guys, I just went off camera to add my highlighter, set the remaining of my face and all of that. So now we're just going to dive straight in to the lips. So we're going to dive straight into the lips, and I'm taking this lip liner, the brown lip liner, just using this to line my lips. So after lining the lips, I'll be taking a white lip pencil also. I've used this before in my other video. So I'm just going to put this at the center of the lips and like match it together to blend it out. Then we take this transparent sorry guys, transparent lip gloss and add it on top of the lips, and after that, voila, we're done. So give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.